Logic 0, example 3.5. Okay, now we have 4 variables and 3 unique operations. So we can have any number of variables, we can have any number of operations. Here we have the operations of multiplication, addition, and subtraction, and we have the 4 variables A, B, C, D. So this is still very similar to what we were doing before. We just want to do something a little bit more complex. It's a longer problem, but really no new technique. We just need to, pay attention to the parentheses. And so this open parenthesis on the far left pairs up with the closed parenthesis on the far right. And then these inner parentheses pair up with one another. And so we want to do what's in parentheses first. So we might think, okay, we're inside of these outside parentheses, but within that there are parentheses. So we're going to do the inner parentheses first. Okay, so we're going to do A times B, and A is odd and B is even. So we're going to have odd times even, and we're out here in the last column under multiplication, and that comes out to be even. So I'm gonna mark that here so we can keep track of things. So these inner parentheses, that whole expression evaluates to even on the interpretation that A and B are odd and even respectively. Now we're going to do the larger parentheses, and we're going to evaluate this addition. On the left, we have this even, and on the right, we have what's given in the interpretation of C being odd. So we're going to have even plus odd. So even, odd, and we're going to addition. And so this addition here is going to be odd. Notice how I'm lining up these values right under these operations. So we evaluate the operation of addition. We had this answer, and so right under the addition, I put the answer from the lookup table. Okay, so now on the left of the subtraction, we have what we evaluated last over here. That's the odd. And the D is also odd, given in the interpretation. So we have odd, odd. So we're looking in the odd, odd row, and we're doing subtraction, and that comes out to be even. So our overall answer here is even. The answer is even.